So I used Google Forms. So this is my form I sent out. So I have 3 different sections. So the first section is name. I chose short answer to answer this question. You can pick different types of questions. This is how you add a question. This is how you add title, description, image, video, and sections. So my second section is the actual problems that I will be assessing them on. So you can see all these. And then the third section is their feedback, so how they thought they did on it. The one thing I really like about Google Forms is on each question, you can make it required or not required. And then I also can choose a theme, so I can choose a header. You can choose image to make a header, choose different colors, choose font. And settings, you can do a lot with settings. You can limit one response per person. You can edit. You can have the students be able to edit it, how it's presented, and you can also make it a quiz. So to send it out, you go to send. You can do it to emails, or you can also do a link. And then so you can copy the link and send it to people. So this is how the form looks for the students. So first ask their name. So then it has the questions. So these are not the right answers, obviously, but then I can go to the next section, and they can also see what page they are on and how many pages. And I like this so the students know how long it is, and so they know if it's going to take like an hour, or if it's going to take 5 minutes. So this page is their feedback, and then it's submitted. So now I can go to the form on my behalf. So where I edited and everything, I can look at the responses. So I can see like a summary of the responses. So I have my name, shows who did it. Now you can see what different people scored. So you can see like, 66.7% of the class thought this was subtraction and 33% thought addition. So then I can see how much of the class knows the right answer. See different answer choices. Also see what number they put. So you can see here, same thing for the next one. So feedback, then I can see what percent of the class thought these questions were what. So difficulty, and then identifying if it's addition or subtraction. In addition, I can also see individual responses. So you can see my response here. You can have my name, what answers I got, how difficult I thought it was, and so on.